so I'm going to be recording this and I'm going to be talking about why I think it's important to wear a face mask. Also social distance while in college or even outside of college. So starting off with the face mask. So we've all had to adapt to wearing a face mask outside, in college. For main reasons is to keep yourself and others safe. Just the thing is, it's keeping in if you cough, sneeze, and it's stopping you from spreading those bacteria, germs, whatever. And with social distancing, I know it's hard because it's hard for me to go up to my friend and not give them a hug. So we've all had to adapt to that. So it's to keep whatever they're lingering, like on their clothes. Stuff can be carried on the clothes. So if you hug them and you are not wearing a face mask protection, anything like that, you might catch something or you might spread it on to a family member. And there's many other reasons why I think it is important to wear a face mask and social distancing. But it's too much to fit in this video, but I really hope you have a nice day.
Good morning. My name is Byron, and the reason why I believe it's necessary to wear face masks in and around the college is that keeping everyone safe is a top priority, and that us as students continuing to wear face masks will definitely improve the college environment. It will keep us safe, it will keep our tutors safe, and most of all, it will keep everyone safe and minimise the risk of spreading COVID-19. For social distancing, I think it's really important. Keeping our distance from our friends is something that most of us are not going to enjoy, but it's for the greater good. And at the end of this, we will come out of COVID-19, hopefully with a vaccine, and we should see college life return to normal. But honestly, I agree with social distancing, and as long as we continue it as students and the tutors as well, we will definitely see an improvement to college life. Thank you.
Gobeithio bod pawb yn cadw'n iawn. Fel da chi'n gweld, dwi yn gwisgo masg o gwmpas y campws. Mae hyn yn cadw fi a pawb arall yn saff a diogel. Hi, as you can see, I'm wearing a mask to keep myself safe and others happy around the campus. I know it's very hot and it's very annoying to wear, but this will help me and others in the long term.
A mask is a safe way to protect yourself and protect everyone else. So I got no problem with it. I can breathe. Even though I got asthma, I'm okay with it. So yeah.
I think it's important for all of us to follow the guidance set in place by the government of wearing our face masks and sticking to social distancing. The more of us that do so, the less likely we are of spreading the coronavirus, and the sooner we can get back to our normality.
Hi, I'm Caitlin.
I'm Erin.
We're the Childcare Level 3 class reps. We're here to talk about why is it important to wear a mask and to social distance in college.
It's important to wear your mask in college as you are protecting yourself and protecting others from catching the virus, especially those who are vulnerable.
It's important to self-distance so you're not spreading the virus, and you don't know where people have been, so you don't know what you're touching, you don't know what they've touched. Have a nice day!
The importance of a face mask is to protect your families, protect your loved ones.
The importance of wearing a face mask is to prevent yourselves and others from getting infected. Especially in places where it's difficult to do the social distancing, as in shops, etc. So I think it's extremely important to wear a face mask, and I hope everyone will comply with the rules. Thank you, Terry.